can't do it. Hey everyone, we got the Spec house done. Come in and take a look. This one took a while and it was a lot of hard work, but let me show you some things that we're really proud of. So we went with all black fixtures this time instead of brushed nickel. We went with this cool new modern toilet that's kind of square. We also went with these light up mirrors that you can get from Amazon, and the link will be at the top of the page for that video. And we also went with black hexagon floors this time. We usually do light floors, but we wanted to do black. Also leave a link below for all the materials we used in this house. This is the kitchen. Very unconventional for around here, but we did a plant shelf all the way around this dining room and living room area, and it is also lit up. This is our laundry room. I know it's not huge, but it's just big enough for your washer and dryer and essentials. This is our master bathroom and closet. We use the black fixtures in here as well as the new mirrors that come off Amazon. Floor to ceiling shower. Master faucet. Great window to see the spacious backyard. Let's show you what the back of the house looks like. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you like the house. Please like and subscribe. See y'all later. Now get out.